Hello everyone, I'll start our presentation by explaining the core functions and handle user access, confirmations, and category organizations in our warehouse inventory system. First is login function, what it does. This is the very first function that runs in our program. Its main purpose is to secure the system by requiring a username and password. Details that the user is given 3 attempts to enter valid login credentials. The function checks the entered username and password against our dictionary named users. If the credentials are correct, the system prints login successful.
For add item, the purpose is the function lets the user adds new item into the inventory. For the process, it asks for confirmation before adding. The second process, it requires the item name, its quantity, what type it is, and what is its price. If everything is valid, the new item is added to the inventory dictionary. For update stock, it allows users to change the quantity of an existing item. How it works. First, the confirmation is required before updating. Second, the user inputs the name of the item. Third, they then provide the new quantity value. The system updates the quantity field for that item. Next is remove item. Its purpose is to delete an item from the inventory entirely. How it works, first it requires confirmation because it's a permanent action. Second, the user inputs the item name. If the item exists, it is removed using the del command.
Low stock check and sorting. First is the view inventory. It displays full table of items in the warehouse. Details shows item name, quantity, type, price, and total value. Next is the low stock. It identifies items that are below certain stock level. The process is ask for the minimum stock and shows only items with stock less than or equal to that number. It can also filtered by category. Next is sort inventory alpha. It sorts the inventory alphabetically from A to Z. This is the sort inventory quantity. It sorts item by quantity from lowest to highest.
So for monthly usage projection inventory, what is the purpose? It predicts future expenses based on item usage over several months. So for the steps, first, the user enters how many months to project. Second is the user chooses a category. Third, for each item in the category, the user enters estimated monthly usage, and system multiplies usage times month times price. And lastly, it displays projected cost per item and a total cost. Next is the clear inventory. What is the purpose? It is completely resets the inventory by removing all items. The tool used is the confirmation steps to avoid mistakes, and the inventory clear to delete all key value pairs. Inventory analytics. So the purpose is it gives smart insight based on the inventory data. The outputs are the average quantity of all items, average price, most expensive items, and the least stock items making. Next is the filter by type. The purpose is it shows only items of a selected type, like a example is tools only. So how it works? It converts inventory into a pandas data frame for a cleaner display.
Explain the function related to export items and managing program navigation. So first we have export items or inventory. So the purpose is to deduct a specified number of items from the inventory, similar to issuing or removing stock. So the step, first one, ask for confirmation. Second one, user selects an item to export. And the third one, user enters quantity to export and system checks if there is enough stock. And lastly, updates quantity and calculates total cost of exported items.
And that concludes our detailed explanation of our warehouse inventory system. Each function plays a specific role in making the system organized, efficient, and user-friendly. Thank you for watching our video presentation.